see this withdraw attached on this screen. I get paid from this app just by me answering survey and
$10
playing games on the app. Note, this is not a get rich quick scheme. Okay? This place is that you can earn extra income on this app, but it's not a get rich quick scheme app. Disclaimer, this video is for educational purpose only. I don't guarantee earning. Earning depends on your effort and your activities on the app and also your region. Always make sure you do your own research well before the application. As you can see the question they're asking me here, all you need to, what is your current employment status? You need to answer your question correctly. Okay, make sure you are from 18 years and above. And here you can also play game on this app. You can see I earn up to 210 coins here, and you can actually watch ad and upgrade your games. Okay, so now I'm going to log in on this app and show you how you can perform your tax on this app. Okay, a waste you can earn on this app. Make sure you pay attention on this video. Pay attention very well. You see this withdraw, I withdraw. It took me up to a month because I'm not even always on this app because I have other app I'm doing. So if you are concentrating on the app, that's why I tell you that is depend on your activities on the app. Okay, if you are not active, you are not performing tasks, you cannot earn. But if you're performing tasks, playing games on this app, you can earn extra income. But it is not a get rich quick scheme app. Okay, now you can see once I log in on this app, this is how you are going to see the interface of the app. As you can see, recent activities, then they're going to play ad, you're going to watch ad. Okay, you are going to watch ad. Okay, once you watch ad, they're going to bring another thing, another step for you to took. Okay, let me just watch this ad. Then I think I suppose pause this ad. Let me just wait, sir. Now the ad is about to finish. You can see that you can complete a survey, play game and watch ads. Okay, you can watch ad and earn extra income here. You can play game and earn extra income on this app. Okay, right now you can see the activities I just did recently, and I earn cent. So now I'm going to go ahead and click on this survey. As you can see, unfortunately we could not found a survey for your profile. Try again for a few hours. Okay, there is no game for me for this moment. Okay, now let me just click here and show you something. You see this particular game. If you click on game, this is how you're going to see the game option. Okay, you need to click on this game. Let me click on it and show you how it works. You need to click on that game and go to Play Store and download it and store it on your phone. Okay, now you can see, make sure you read the instruction. As you can see, reach 500 meter, reach 200 meter, you will earn 12. As you can see, if you keep on playing and reaching those level, you will earn coins. Okay, and that coins will convert it to extra income. Okay, right now let me just go ahead and run this app because I want to play it now. I want to play anytime I'm not doing anything. This is what I do. It actually took me a month because I'm not even concentrating on the app. Okay, I just, if I have time, I will just go down and play game and come on. That's why I earn even $9 safe. You see this, grab a toy, then I will store the app. Okay, the app is going to automatically download. Then I will start playing it. As you can see, you need to reach level 150. Other games is there. Just make sure anyone you click that you need to read their policy very well. Read down to know the instruction they gave you while playing the game. Okay, right now you can see that if you want to contact customer support, maybe your withdrawal delay, you can contact them here. Okay, now this is actually my account. Okay, so you can see you can actually invite your friends and earn um coins here. Just copy your link and send it to your friend or your referral code and send it. Once they add it, then you will earn from it. Okay, you can see the social they give you. Let me just go to a notification. You need to turn your notification on. Okay, now you can see the game is already downloading. Now I just want to check if the game is already downloading. As you can, the game is already downloading. Now I need to come back on the app. Okay. You see this watch ad. You can watch ad 2 or 3 times and it will stop. Later you can come back and start watching it again. This is how it works. It's not that once you watch ad now, you will play another one, you will play it just playing it. No, it doesn't work that way. There is a limit. Like if you watch 5 or 6 or 7 and it will stop, later you will continue. Okay. This is how you can actually withdraw on this app. You can see that you can withdraw with your Tron, you can withdraw with your Binance. Okay, a lot of payment method you can use to withdraw your money, your PayPal, and on PayPal you can withdraw from $3 and above. Okay, you see that Binance is there. Okay, you can withdraw with your Binance, and the minimum you can withdraw from Binance is 0.5 cent. You see, it's very low. You can actually play game and test it to know if it actually work on your country, if they actually pay you. But they pay me oh, they pay me $9. I keep on playing game and I got paid of $1. I tell you that it took me a month because I'm not always active on this app. Gaming app is that anytime I don't have any work doing or anything I'm doing, I can actually go there and keep on playing game for fun. Okay, so that is why it took me a month. I'm not even active every day. Imagine if I'm active every day. Okay, so you can see that this is software you can perform. As you can see, this Premier N, you can actually play it if it's available in your country because it depends on your region. And this app, it does not need VPN. It works worldwide, but you can check it on your phone to know if it is working because there is a lot of things I've been seeing now. Like a lot of app are not available in some phone. They might be available on your country, but once you want to download the app, they will tell you that it's not available. But you don't know that that particular device you are using, like it is not available on your device. Not like it is not available on your region, but you can actually try it out to know if it is available on your phone and also your region. So I've encountered that before. I have one phone I'm using that anytime I want to download app, if I go there, they tell me that it's just available in my country. But if I come to my main phone I'm using, they tell me that it's available. Just imagine. You can see return to withdraw. This is the proof people that are withdrawing. As you can see, 0.60 cents, just small money. People are withdrawing here. You can withdraw from $3 and above. And this is the proof of payment they show us here. As you can see, me too, I cash out on this. That is why I have mind to review this app for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you guys on my next video. Bye.